Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you're new, and if you're returning, then thank you so much for watching. Now I will be doing a review of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys. Now the real bag retails at $18.30. And my boyfriend said that if I can get 10,000 subscribers, he'll buy me the real bag, so help me get there. Also, I'll link my second channel down below, or actually my first channel. This is my second channel, and link it down below. But let's get started. Now I thought the shipping was quite quick. I thought it was, some people said it took up to 3 to 2 months to get. And I'm just happy that it actually just took 12 days. So it shows Louis Vuitton, spelled correctly. Comes in like this little clear, this little clear plastic bag. So let's see if it looks, okay, it's not really a scent. So it comes in pouch. Let's open her up. Let me set this a bit further. So open her up. You guys, literally looks so amazing. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It looks so beautiful. I wish you guys could see this like in person. It just looks so beautiful. Okay, so now I'm actually we're gonna compare. I do have the website pulled up. Now on the authentic bag, it does have the logo, which is correct. So it looks pretty good. It does have the LV right here, and then it does say Louis Vuitton Paris at the bottom, which it does show. I'll put a sidebar of what the actual bag looks like right over here. So it's looking pretty nice. Let's see if I can zoom in. But it's looking like that. So far it checks out. I saw a lot of sellers selling this bag, but a lot of them had the back of the bag wrong. The back of the bag is supposed to be backwards, and it is backwards, just like the regular, just like the website. This needed to be correct. It does have the logo on this. And let's unwrap this. It does have the logo, Louis Vuitton Paris. Now this looks printed on. So let's actually unpeel the sticker. Take a quick intermission just to get all the blue out, but it is looking gorgeous. I love it. So it is correct on the website. It is supposed to be like that. So let's open her up. It does come like this, so it's supposed to be going straight down just like the website. So perfect. I love it, so no one can clock me. It's going the right way. And I did notice a lot of bags were not going the right way when you opened it, so that was a very big factor on whether I was going to purchase the bag. The back, this, even the sides, oh, it still has this, even the sides say the Louis Vuitton. So, I mean, not the back, the sides, they both say it. So it's looking pretty good. I'm loving it so far. So you do get the straps. Actually, the straps are looking pretty good too. Definitely feel like I got my money's worth. Okay, let's see how the straps are looking. If they look, you know, busted or anything like that. Put this to the side. Okay, so The straps actually do have the logo, the Louis Vuitton logo, and it does say it on the sides. Excuse me, I'm sorry if you could hear it. The neighbors upstairs, they have this dog that always fucking barks for some reason every time people go past that apartment, so I'm sorry if you could hear the dog barking. And the straps are looking quite nice. Love it. It does have its front and back. It's not super crooked, so that's what I do love. So it's looking pretty legit. The gold isn't looking like too fake. It's actually looking pretty legit. Let's see, let's take all of this out. Okay, now on the website, it is supposed to have this. This is supposed to be like a light sand color. It does have that. It does have the 2 pockets. 2. And wow. I think it's looking, oh wait. I just realized the inside of the bag is black and not brown. What the fuck? Okay, well it is black, not brown, but that's fine. No one's gonna clock me on that. I'll just open my bag real quick. But it is supposed to be brown. I just realized that. So I didn't check on that part. Let me see if any of the other ones. Oh, see, so this color bag has the black inside, but this color is supposed to have brown, which I don't know how they messed that up, but it's fine. So it is black. It does have the Louis Vuitton side logo right over here, and it comes with this. I guess if people try to clock you, then you can just be like, bitch, came from motherfucking France. So let's open this to see if it says anything. Does it have anything inside? Oh, it does. With this little pamphlet. And it says to clean your bag, wipe it with a soft, lightly damp cloth, and never use soap. In the event of a problem, please do not hesitate to call any Louis Vuitton store. Okay, that's really interesting. Let me see if I can zoom in on that part. Okay, it does say in any event, if there's a problem, contact a Louis Vuitton store, but you can't because the bag is fake. So, you know, gotta focus. How can I contact the Louis Vuitton store? Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase. I guess the only bad detail is the inside is black, but other than that, I think they and then of course this part is supposed to be a darker brown, but other than that, I think this is pretty fucking legit. I think it looks amazing. It does have the back just like Louis Vuitton. It does have the logo on the keys. I think this looks pretty legit. You can, let me clip it. You can actually carry it just like this if you wanted to, or you could attach the straps. So let me attach the straps just to show you guys what it would look like as like a crossbody or on. I'll show you what the bag looks like on. So this is it as a crossbody. Love it, love it, love it. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like just like this. So I think it looks pretty fucking legit. Okay, so this was me unboxing the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. I am really happy with my purchase. Again, it came in 12 days, and I got it from Amazon for $107. Now, I don't think I can link the who I bought it from, but I did buy it from, let me pull it up really quick, H-Pass. So it was the H-Pass Pochette Soft Canvas Crossbody Handbag, Tote Bag, Shoulder Bag. That's what it was called. So I'm really happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.